Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today's video I will be swatching and talking about these new effect top coats by Catrice Cosmetics. They have just recently released these for their fall winter 2024 collection update and I'm really excited to share these with you because these are very affordable. They're like below €4, like €3.95 in euros. They are easy to get by. This is just a regular European drugstore brand. They are vegan, they are cruelty free, and I love them. Of course, off camera I have already applied a base coat, which is also a new one by Catrice. I'm just trying this one out. I'm not quite sure if I like it or don't like it yet, so you can ask me about it, but I don't really have an opinion formed yet. But let's just get into the swatches. And this first one is number 10, Amethyst Aura. It is a very nice pinkish, almost purplish, flaky kind of topper. Do keep in mind these are special effect top coats, so don't expect a lot of color payoff or anything like that. They are supposed to be sheer like a top coat. So yeah, let's just keep that in mind. I am going to apply those straight onto my natural nails, of course, with the base coat underneath and so on, so there isn't any color or anything like that underneath. Of course, you can always apply a color of choice first, like a creamy polish or something like that, and each different color you would put underneath these will give another effect. So yeah, that's just, you can definitely play around with these because that's first of all a lot of fun, and second of all, with a top coat like this you can transform a lot of the polishes you already have in your collection. But yeah, this is the first coat. It has some very nice, not too big sized flakies in there. It's just really pretty and it gives a nice pinkish glow to the nail. Then the next one is called All Nighter. This is actually a glow in the dark one. I have tried this out really quickly just to see if it was even glow in the dark. It definitely is, but I personally really wanted to get this because it has such a beautiful shimmer and glittery goodness going on in there, as well as some flakies too. So if you are into special looking flaky glittery polishes, a little bit indie nail polish looking as well, this one is the one for you. And of course, with Halloween coming up and maybe you have some Halloween parties coming up as well, it is always fun to have something glow in the dark on your nails. But yeah, it's really pretty. I really love the way it looked on my bare nail, like without any colored polish underneath. I think it's very pretty. It's very almost fairy like. I don't know, I think it's really gorgeous polish. But let's continue with the third one already. This one is called Celestial Light. It is also so stunning. Just look at it in the bottle already. It is super gold based, or at least there is a lot of gold finely milled glitter and shimmer in there, as well as a ton of different shimmer and glitters and some flakies too. There definitely is a little bit of holographic shimmer in here too, but other than that, just a lot of gold, a lot of green, a lot of shifting like blue towards orange. It is quite nice, quite special. I think it is a little buildable. I will be adding 2 coats of each and every color for the sake of the video and just to show you what these polishes can do on their own without any colored polish underneath. But I really loved how opaque this one was, how packed it is with that shimmer and glitter and pigments and flakies within that first coat already. So yeah, that third one, I think it is my favorite. But you know, I have a weakness, like a soft spot for super glittery, shimmery, flaky polishes, so this collection was right up my alley. The fourth one and the final one of this collection, or kind of like collection update I'd say, of special effect toppers. This one is called Galactic Dust. It is super finely milled, like multi-chrome or duochrome shimmers and glitters in there. There isn't like a lot of flakiness going on in there, but some of the glitters have a little bit of like a flaky look, but very, very finely milled. This is one of those toppers that would look beautiful on top of a blue or a green or a purple, or especially on a solid black. That would really, really pop those colors. I think it would look really pretty on top of a white as well. But then the effect, like the color shift effect from the purple bluish towards green, would be less visible or less noticeable. So yeah, you definitely want to keep that in mind. So yeah, here I have just waited, I'd say about 5 minutes after applying that fourth color before going in with the second layer. Do keep in mind these are top coats, so they don't have to be opaque, and you don't have to apply another layer of clear top coat afterwards either. I really love that for this first one, the super flaky one with this pinkish base. I really love the jelly effect it gives once you apply more coats. And as you can see, it even looks cute on my short AF pinky nail. It actually looks really cute and really nice. So I think if you have shorter nails, these polishes would look really cute on you as well. Don't worry about that, just because I have long natural nails for the most of it at the moment. You know, I had a couple of nail tears and I just had to cut some down. But yeah, the pink, I really thought it would be my favorite because of course it's pink. But yeah, this second one, and especially the third one from this collection, oh, it's just gorgeous. Just look at this all-nighter one, the glow in the dark one. It kind of looks super frosty, super snow-like. This one will be perfect for winter snowy designs. So if you're into nail art and planning on doing some this winter season, definitely grab that one. Then the third is called Celestial Light. Of course, we have already seen the first coat. The second coat just makes it a little bit more opaque, a little bit more glitter packed. I think it's really gorgeous. I just really love these polishes. I'm kind of like a magpie. I like anything that is shiny and glittery and just, ooh, it's just so pretty. I do like the fact that the gold isn't like really screaming in your face. I'm not really a gold kind of girl. I prefer like rose gold or silvers. But yeah, if you do want it to be more gold looking, definitely go underneath this polish with like a gold metallic polish or something like that. That will really make it super golden. This fourth one for the second coat, it gives a little bit more color. Still, it's very sheer since it is a top coat, but the color shift is a little bit more visible even with this second coat. So yeah, I am pretty much done swatching, and this is also pretty much the end of this new video. Definitely let me know what you think about these polishes. Do you have some yourself? What do you think about them? Are you like me, team magpie, who loves anything glittery, shimmery in your face? Let me know in the comment section down below. Also, I'm really curious to hear, what are you wearing on your nails yourself? Let me know in the comment section down below as well. Maybe I can get some new ideas of new collections to pick up myself and to swatch for you guys. And of course, if you have any requests or questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments section down below and I will get back into that or even make a video about it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much and I'll see you next time.